How you guys doing today? Welcome back to New York session with myself and Jeff. Jeff, how you doing, my brother?
What's up, guys? I'm doing good, feeling great today. Hopefully we got a sit up within session.
Yeah, I know, guys. I think we're gonna get a banger trade today. At least my camera's back this time, so you guys can see me. But I think it's gonna be a good one. We had some market news, so very definitive stuff for the dollar. But we are gonna slowly get into everything. But just to start off, guys, let us know how the sound is, nice and clear, music not too loud. Just give us some feedback there. Morning, we're gonna get a full camera day. There we go. Let's hope so. Nas100 buy. All's good on my side, gents. Awesome. Alright, guys, I think we're really going to get some good trades today. Gold, I'd love to get on gold now. So we are definitely going to hope if we can stay here. Bit of a long one and a big game I want to play. A dangerous game I want to play. But I want to buy the gold. So if we can find support straight off the bat, you know we're going to look for that. But we'll start breaking that down in a while. Just a little bit longer and then we'll go for it. Sounds great. Camera with a handsome boy and music a bit loud. We can bring that down for you. Where is it on the side? Alright, guys, let us know if the music is good after that. Can you please increase the sound? We can do that for you as well. Moski! You need some sound here, brother. Yeah, so music's fine, but then also we add some volume to the mics.
Oh, so we need to add volume to the mic, is that what you're saying?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Let me check. Sorry, team.
Alright, guys, but yeah, we're gonna get those volume up on there. We did drop the volume on the music a little bit, but we'll just see what we can do with this for you guys now if we get the mics a little bit louder. Yeah, from the Daily Scalp fam. Oh, awesome to see you, my brother. Yeah, Daily Scalp fam, one of the OGs, one of the real ones out there. Mr. G himself, he's been killing it. Really a good family to be part of there. Mark sounds good to me. Okay, so otherwise, I mean, guys, if it's a little bit louder, it doesn't matter anyway. But yeah, thanks for the up, Jeff, on USD Swiss, lack of profits.
I'm glad, my man. I'm glad.
So yeah, we'll just see if Mo thinks anything else needs to change there, and then we'll get into everything. What's good, gents? Literally going to be a good one today, I think, guys. Think we can get some nice trades. Nas, I think we're going to get a banger on US30 as well. Market's looking good. Market's definitely looking good. Alright, but in the meantime, guys, we will start with the analysis quickly from my side. So DXY, as I've mentioned to you guys, I can't be bullish on this. I can't. We've gapped to the top side from Monday to Tuesday, from Tuesday to Wednesday, and today we actually gapped as well. Meaning, if you can see, that was our bearish closure. We opened up over here. Again, another jump. But keep in mind, that was our first one being bearish. Also, we rejected a weekly key level and weekly pivot to close below. So that's what we're going to pay attention to. So with the news now, unemployment claims. I haven't even actually looked. Let's see here. Jobless claims came in higher. Ooh, is that higher? I don't use this. Let me go over to what I know, because that one's just confusing me. Let's go to Forex Factory. Let's see over here. Let's see. 217. They expected 218. So it actually came out lower. Alright, so that's pretty even. That's actually a very flat reading. So nothing too much into that, but obviously we still have a lot of news coming out. We've got some speakers and a lot more moving from there. But again, that is still, like I say, this is the turning point we want for the dollar. We always talk about if we have the week, we've turned, we've set the top wick, we can now start flipping bearish after this. So obviously saying that, we are now in gold. Let's go over to that. So gold, guys, as you can see, we are starting to get some momentum. Daily, we are being bearish, but I do think this is our turnaround point. So we can literally test something like this key area over here and start turning. So again, for me, I'd love to see us get back above this key level. So this is the main thing. We want to see this key level be taken to start trading back above. So for future of gold, that is what I want. If we trade bearish again today, again, that's the thing. I want to see bullish action from gold, but doesn't mean we're going to get it. If we don't get it, we're going to just be reactive, but I would love to see the buys. So for me, if we literally can stay in this area today, when market opens, I would love to see us stay here, retest Asia lows, maybe even a little break below, break back above, and continue to the top side. We can go get the pivot and the EQ, which is now above us. Okay, so that for me will be my move on gold. If we go over to Nas, and keep in mind, guys, we are going to react. So like I said, gold on the other hand can be both, but I would like to see the buys. Again, if dollar goes bearish, obviously we can see those bars start coming in. So with Nas US30, I am bullish. We spoke about this a few times. We've traded upwards the whole day. You guys can see this. EQ and daily pivot not really tested. We started out on there, so not that we traded away from it. I would love to see us trade back down. Again, we've seen it a few times. We can literally even just hold Asia highs. But a triple A grade setup, I'd love to see us break below, go test Asia lows, we test the pivot, we test the EQ, hold the support, even a little fake out, set the low of the day, trade back above, and we will go long from there. So again, US30, you'll see same thing. Our EQ and pivot's a bit higher, so with US30, we might just get the push back down to Asia highs, maybe a little fake out to see sellers start going in, get back above, and trade. So with Nas, I'd love to see us trade from Asia lows. US30, more likely we could be trading from the Asia highs. Again, I think it is with these two. I want to show you something. So there, I'm obviously bullish and bullish, but we had a bearish closure. Where we go Nas, we had a bearish closure. So I spoke to you guys about this a while ago. Which trade was it? I think it might have actually been Nas a while ago as well, where we had these type of closures after that. A lot of people will see bearish momentum. Why? They want to see this push, an indecisive candle, trade back below. This is what they want, okay? Where again, makes sense. But for me, all I'd love, a triple A grade on this, take those Asia lows. If anything, even push, most ideal, we could take the wick here. But that is quite a big wick at the bottom here. So I would just be okay if we took Asia lows, came back up, and continued to the top side. That would also work. So that is the machine gun analysis. Obviously bullish Nas, bullish US30, and I'd love the buys on gold, but we will be reactive on that one. Jev, what are you looking at, my brother?
So I'm currently in GU sales in profit. The price is rejected of another key level that I was looking at. However, I am bullish long term on GBP USD. So the next level I'm looking at on GU is 1. Can I see my screen?
Yeah, you live, bro.
Okay, just making sure. So this level all the way down here, 1.22250. This will be a level where I'll be taking my profit. Now the only thing about this zone which I don't like is we could see reaction from the zone to push to the upside. You also see that the S1 is the S2 is slightly below that, so it could hold. Then the other thing is then we have the next level over here, which I don't per se like. There is a fair value gap, and then we have this type of liquidity all the way down here, which could be that double bottom, which must first be swept before going to the upside. So before looking for buys, I'll be looking for buys at 1.22250. If that doesn't hold, I want to see price push down more up until this level, which is 1.21750. That is GU. And then on gold for the day, I'm actually looking for some buys. So I drew out this level this morning during a session with someone, this demand zone. You guys remember that yesterday's demand zone price held it, but unfortunately price broke through just like I said. So I'm expecting the same thing to happen, price to break below the box. That will fall in line with my method. Price by base below the Asian box, look for buys, and targeting that supply zones all the way to the upside at the open of last week, more or less. And you also see that also have a supply zone all the way up there, which could also be an indication that if gold doesn't go bullish immediately, then that could be a zone to continue this sell side momentum.
Sorry, Jeff, Etienne, he does have a watermark on his screen. It's just a light color, but he does have a watermark on.
I can just adjust that a bit for the peoples if they can't see properly. Let me make it a little bit darker. That should be better.
Yeah, there we go.
And then on USD Yen, I'm bullish on USD Yen. This morning, where the break of structure to the upside, you guys would see that I have this fractal BOS sign over here. Now this is basically a zone, the 9 o'clock candle. So our price broke above it, so I'm bullish on that. You can see currently price is holding this liquidity level, so I wouldn't be looking for buys right now on USD yen. However, you'll see the what do you call the P on the pivots?
The what?
The P is that the midpoint.
The P on pivots.
Yeah, this over here. You have the S1, R1, and P.
P.
Okay.
P is pivot, yeah.
Okay, so anyway, so so then you have this red line over here, which also falls in line with the pivot settings, and that lines up with that zone. So I would want to see USD yen push to the upside to actually go to that zone, which we spoke about yesterday, to then go to the R1 and then see some sells from that level. And this also falls in line with gold. So then if gold pushes to the upside, taking out the Asian highs up here, then that could be that indication basically for USD yen to then push down. Push up. Nasdaq, not liking what I'm seeing. You'll see over here I have the chart with the question mark. So I always speak to myself on my charts. So I'm asking myself, is that a change of character? So I'm uncertain, so I'm not bearish on Nasdaq as yet. So then if I go further on, you would see all the way up here I have two supply zones basically, where we could basically see price trade to. And then looking at US30, this zone held from yesterday, we still haven't seen the sweep, so we'll have to see again today which one is lying to us. So in my opinion, I would like to see US30 do the same method, take out that high, pull back, change of character, fair value gap, and then drop, and then eventually find this demand zone all the way down here, and then eventually go up. So then that will be cool on Nasdaq as well, to then maybe come take out this liquidity all the way down here to then push towards the upside. That's pretty much it from my side. If there's any other page you guys want to look at, just drop them in the chat.
Interesting. I think this is the first time I've seen a chalk with a question mark. Keegs, how you feeling, fella? Nah, I'm feeling solid, eh? Feeling like an ox. Definitely much better compared to, I think it was Monday, where I was so bad. Keegan, my wife didn't leave me yet. She said I have one more chance with your trade today. Well, let's make it a good one. Now is US30 all, yeah guys, these trades are all very perfectly laid out for me. I'm very happy with these trades. I think we're going to get a winner today. And again, I think that winner is going to be very good, just to make it another round 2 from this morning. Hey Jeff, would be nice to see the price scale for reference. The price? What?
Oh, sorry, I don't have my watch list on here, so maybe that's what they're referring to. They can't.
No, but they can see your whole screen. Hold on.
Oh.
Yeah, take your watch list off.
It's only on this one now, so.
So if it's a little bit gone. Like yeah, so if your watch list is off, it's like off the screen for some reason.
Okay, let me just
add pull it a little bit to the side though.
Let me just add
like
all
a little
of them.
bit to the right. A little bit more.
Can't go more.
Okay, well then leave it like that then.
Perfect like this. Yeah. Okay, so I'll just
for future when I change back over, they'll have it then.
Cool.
Alright guys, but 15 minutes. Let's see what we can get. Still holding GU Keeks, not looked at it. I'm not in on it. I was tapped out. So yeah, I was tapped out. I'm not in on it anymore. You can go over to it quickly. I'll just show you it. Turned bullish as we can see here, but yeah, not in the trade anymore. Our entry was over here where we were stopped at break even. So turned bullish over here. Yeah, not in the trade anymore. Just one of those things, but it's all good. But oh, gold. I think guys, we're gonna get something today. Trust me. I'm feeling good here. Markets are looking good. We definitely can get something nice today. So let's see what there is. Okay guys, 168 viewers, only 45 likes. Come on guys, let's see if we can get those likes up to 100 before market open. Bring that volume in, bring the vibes. and we can definitely smack a nice little TP here today. I appreciate how you guys believe in your trading and respect each other on that. 100%. It's all about it. You got to back yourselves. What's this now?
We were just having a conversation about understanding each other's trades.
Yeah, literally, yeah, we were. Can you guys please check GU sells? So I'm against the GU sells, but I know Jeff he's in a GU sell. So I'll take it over to Jeff to break it down, as I'm against that, but Jeff is in a GU sell at the moment.
So just quickly for reference to my trade this morning. Let's go to the 1 minute. So remember last night on the stream I told you guys that when I see price tap that zone and then drop, so you guys would see that I took a sell here last night, went all the way in profit. Then Keegan this morning, acting like a market maker, took the buys and pushed price all the way up, stopping me out at entry point. But then seeing how price then yelled this supply zone once again. Remember guys, I've been showing you the same entry method I've been using. I see my high, and then I see my first fake change of character right over here, which took place right over here. Oh no. Right over here. So I'm gonna make it a little thicker so you can see it. I'll make it red. So that's the fake change of character. Then I'm gonna see price sweep it and then form the correct change of character, leaving a fair value gap. There was the gap, entered my sell limit, and then price pushed all the way down. So I wouldn't per se want to be looking for sells right now on this level because obviously I'm in profit. But then seeing where price is currently trading at, it's in the middle of the range for me, and which is not what I like. So I want to catch, as you guys know, to catch falling and flying knives. And then, so we did have this break of structure. There is a zone here. I wanted to continue pushing down from here because I want price to go to my TP, but I wouldn't recommend entering from there because it's easy for price to still do something like this, come back towards the open, play around this level, and then only drop. Because also be mindful that we also have a fair value gap all the way up here. So price could still go all the way up there to go fill that void. So I would say if you're looking at GU, look at what's currently happening for the, let's just double check on the daily. So yes, daily I was bearish, that's why I took the sell. But then overall, here's this big fair value gap on the daily. So this is the area where I'll start looking for some sort of reversal for some buys. So like I said now in the beginning of the stream, my buys that I'm looking at is at this level where I want to take profit, 1.22250. If it doesn't hold there, now remember on GU I always wait for my confirmation. If it doesn't hold on this level, then the next demand zone is then at the S4 all the way down here. So then 1.21750 will be the next zone of entry. So I want to catch the entire move, not chasing the small moves.
There you have it. Oh, Ashy, love Jev's accent. So juicy. Yeah, I love that. I've got that Benoni Boxberg accent. Please check EU. EU's bullish. I can tell you that without looking. We were talking about it earlier. So once you're back in the Asia range, I think you've taken Asia lows. You can already start looking at it. But Euro USD. Why is my keyboard not working? So literally, you're back in Asia range. I just wait for the 15-minute shuffle. If you can go back to Asia lows, hold the support, enter there. Otherwise, you can re-enter off this point, yeah, and then go along from there. But EU is bullish. Alrighty, guys. Love it. Good explanation, bro. Jevin. I'm Canadian in the USA, so I enjoy the fella's accents, but Jev's is extra thick. Jev's a thick man. Now that I think about it, what is the Canadian accent? Is it just like American? Or do they have like a difference really?
Go watch South Park.
Oh,
and then
no, but that doesn't.
They just have the big mouth.
Yeah.
And then they cut them in half. I know they do have an accent in
Do you like for example, you know, I always say this to people, so because I'm obviously they have an American accent, but like I always say to people, if you in South Africa. I always say like a Joburg boot has a different accent to a Cape Town boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Joburg boot is like that's South Africa. That's Boksburg Benoni. Where Cape Town, you swear the man thinks he's family of the Queen and King. They're the proper posh boys.
Someone has a question there.
Yeah,
Ashley.
Jeff, can you explain to us your swing trade entry?
Okay, so I'm gonna open a different chart here real quick, and I'm gonna show you a method that I use for swing trading.
Yeah, that's Cape Town. Joburg's the boots. Yeah. Yeah.
So
B
just
is
give me a
my
second so I
China.
can load this. So for swing trading, what I do is, okay, you'll actually see I have a lot of analysis all the way over here. Okay, this is a bit too much. Keep my screen's on, eh?
Yeah, it's on, bro.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, so I don't keep mentioning it, but like, 'cause it's so quick now to do it. So the minute you start talking, I just put it on.
Okay, awesome. So for swing trading, this is what I do basically. I map out. So you obviously have to use your calendar. So I start off mapping out the beginning of a month. So let's use maybe October. So the beginning of October when market opened. So that's the beginning of the month. I always make that blue. Then obviously now you have to map out the beginning of each week. So every Monday. So there's the next Sunday, Monday. Sunday. Sorry, give me a sec, guys. Let's take some time. Obviously, when you prepare it, it's a different story. Okay, so what I didn't do is you'll see here now. I've technically trapped the market within the month. So here you can see the low of the month, and here you can see the high of the month. So the market maker makes a fake move, beginning of week, beginning of day, beginning of session, beginning of year, beginning of quarter as well. So here's the beginning of the month. What happens? Price sweeps down. Fake move beginning of month. What happens then? Price pushes up. So notice in the fourth week, price pushes all the way up. What happens then? Price sells. Your fake move end of the month. That induces long, trapping people short again, going to the next month. You can even take it as far as the week. Fake move beginning of week. Price pushes up. While it pushes up, check here. When price basically closed, push down. Here you see once again the new week, price pushes all the way up, end of week, price pushes down. So by studying that, you can get used to how the market moves every single week. Good example over here is also, well, check how the market opens over here and more or less closes around the same place. So the economy measuring the euro versus USD is technically nothing happened in change of price that week, but billions of dollars were traded, billions were made, billions were lost. So what I do is I draw myself my Monday Asian range. So it's the first Asian range of the week. Draw myself a little box. And the method is simple. If price breaks below the box, you look for buys. Breaks above the box, you look for sells. So you see that's the beginning of price breaks to the downside. Then you will, but obviously once price breaks to the downside, there has to be some rules which fall into place. For instance, once you have a candle breaks to the downside, you must have 3 candles trading within that candle's range. So for instance, you have 1, 2, 3. Then notice the next 3 candles trades within that candle's range. So that becomes your point of entry, for instance. Not point of entry, but that's where you'll start looking for your zone that holds. Then obviously eventually by taking the trade will be somewhere along this wick. That's what, the more you backtest it, the more you start spotting it in that moment. And same concept, not going to go too deep into it, it's not a free session. Then you would see, for same thing, I measure out my first 2 candles. Price breaks above the box, look for sells. As you can see, price trades all the way down. Same concept the next week. You can see here's your first 2 candles. Price breaks to the upside, look for sells. Price to the upside, look for sells. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. Hope that makes sense. I call that the weekly structure.
There you go. Uit a boot in a boot. What the hell is that? That's what they always got me to say in school. Uit a boot in a boot. What am I saying? Out about in a boat. No ways. No ways. I would never be able to understand that. I'm just listening to you and don't clear all the voices because I'm Indian, so it's difficult to me about to translate the meaning of American accent. Cape Town's the brew. Brother-in-law is from Joburg, but he lived in Durban for a long time with my sister.
Does Durban have an accent?
Yeah. They're also like a very posh, but like, I don't know how to explain it. Like a lot of the guys I played rugby with were like from Durban and that.
They do have an accent.
And yeah, I mean, Kyle's from Durban. So he's Joburg, but I mean, he went to school in Durban.
Bro.
My boy. Yeah. Who's that unicorn that walked past the cam there? I don't know, bro. It's a unicorn. Thanks, Jev. Euro JPY, please. Jev, you can go through that one. Put you over to it now.
Euro
Jev,
JPY.
I agree. I'm a trend trader, but I also look for weekly and monthly lows, highs for a swing as well.
Yeah, because think about it this way. When it comes to trading, everyone talks about, buy low, sell high. But no one teaches you where is low and where is high. Then when it comes to support and resistance, no one teaches you what is true support and resistance. The way I see it, true support is at the low of the day, low of the session, low of the week, low of the month, low of the quarter, low of the year. The true resistance is at the high of the day, high of the session, high of the week, high of the month, high of the quarter, and high and low, and high of the year. So what happens at these levels is, if price rejects there, then usually, let's say at a high, there will be buy stops up there. So people think price breaks at levels since a high time frame, that you will just be tapped into a trade. But if I was a market maker, knowing that you put your buy stops up there, I will go activate your order and then pull away from you. So at the moment you look at your highs and lows in that sense, then you'll start seeing a pattern which occurs there.
All right. Jeff, you're gonna break down EJ for the guys.
Yes, I can. However, I don't know why I'm looking at EJ because it's out of session.
I'm not gonna get into that. I've done that a million times. That's why I'm giving it to you.
So on EJ right now, yo, what's happening here? Where's all the data? Yeah, okay, now I think, okay, this is interesting. On the weekly, we do have a supply zone over here. The only thing is, guys, I'm not on a paid version here, so I won't be able to go, I might not be able to go all the way down on the daily to go refine the zone. Let's try to do it. Okay, we can. That's dope. Okay, so there's your supply zone all the way up there. So you maybe could start seeing some rejection on EU from this level. So you could start seeing some sells potentially. However, we're in an uptrend, so you don't necessarily want to be trading against the trend, but initially you would want to see price basically trend back down, more or less, let's say around this level. So I would say,
James, just hold on. All right, guys, markets are live and open. Get your bets in before it's too late. All right, Jeff, you can carry on there.
okay, awesome. And then basically what you want to see now happen is, because remember now technically you had break of structure all the way over here. So you want to see price cater for pullback into a demand zone. And as you can see, price hasn't come back there, which means this is going to be liquidity. Now, you initially want to trade from the most extreme high or low. So seeing that another break of structure over here, what caused that break most likely was this demand zone over here. But you don't want to be trading this zone because price could easily just break through it, because there is liquidity all the way down here. So I'm not saying sell euro yen, but I would say look for buys as price comes to your demand zones.
There you have it. All right. So US30 back at Asia highs. Nas a little bit behind. Dollar is trying to come back up. So right now everything is on par. Gold trying to fight back. So right, guys, we know we want gold, Asia lows. Nas, we want first area, Asia highs. US30 is at Asia highs, so we're just gonna wait there. As you guys don't know, we don't trade the first 15-minute shuffle. Well, I don't. Jev might sometimes when he feels risky and frisky. but we'll see about that. Today, Powell will pump DXY again. I'm very against that, bro. I'm very against that. But again, as we said, put your bets in. If you know anything, if you actually watch the interviews, if you watch the speeches, if you actually study fundamentals, Powell wants the dollar to fall down. So that doesn't make sense why he would pump it up. Okay. I see the London session journal in Discord. Do you guys have a New York session journal? No, we don't. I think maybe Jeff can. Or
that's actually something that I've been wanting to do, guys. I'm journaling everything, but I'll be honest with you. I get very busy at night when I get home. I have a lot of things to do. So sometimes when I get home, I just want to literally chill and relax. And then also sometimes I do sessions at night. So really, guys, I'm really busy, but I will try and do it. Maybe weekends I can do the whole week's journaling.
And I'm just too lazy. So but alright, guys. So yeah, we'll see about it. Maybe we'll bribe Chris. Chris can journal for us. The JD just presents the weekly breakdown must be South African. We all South African, yeah. Guys, why is Vault not offering international bank wires? I can't actually answer that one. I know they are South African brokers, so there might just be an idea with having connections to international banks. So that would be my idea, but I don't have an actual answer for that.
Car culture guy, to what country are you trying to send the money or withdraw to?
Okay, good afternoon, my fellow traders. In that case, yen would rise basis, then rhetoric change in the BOJ. You wonder how many people in that room? There is 3 of us here at the moment. Botswana. Oh, okay, that's not that far. I was thinking also like overseas. But yeah, we can follow up with that one, guys. But alright, I mean, that's the first 5-minute candle. It's going to be closing now. But also, guys, 214 viewers, only 92 likes. Come on, guys. We can get that up. We can get those likes up. That's all we ask from you guys. Any takes on gold. We want gold to go long. Hopefully, it doesn't leave without us. But again, as I said to you, we don't trade the first 15 minutes. So we are not in anything as of yet. So patiently waiting, guys. Patiently waiting. Can't jump the gun.
Ras Devil, you guys attend to all the comments. Chris said it best. Do unto others as you would like others to do unto yourself. So if I'm on a stream, I ask a question or comment, I would appreciate it if the creator, references me or responds to me. So
yeah, cool. That's the only reason I stopped trading with Vault. Yeah, bro, as I said, I honestly can't actually give you an answer on that one. I'd have to follow that up for you. Actually, Earl, I have 6 monitors and 2 laptops. So I have eyes on the daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute. I use SR boxes, EMAs, and fibs. So slightly complicated to explain, but you might get the idea. Now that is dedicated.
So going quickly back on car culture guy, Botswana, they told you to create a crypto wallet and you've never used it before. Well, I've had similar experiences in the past with Hugo's Way, where I didn't verify my documents or they didn't accept South Africans. Then they told me that the only way that they can do it is through crypto. But I would just say if you're gonna go with crypto, just make sure that you have a reliable exchange. And if you want to exchange in crypto, make sure that you use Litecoin or Ethereum. The fees are very, very low. And yeah, just something to think about. But don't necessarily, I know that we're doing this with Vault, but don't necessarily be shunned away from Vault just because a small problem is in your way. I understand when I say the solutions here, the solutions.
I'm already long on gold 94.7 on the premise of weekly and monthly swing lows, much like Jeff just explained. Yeah, I do back it. I won't even lie to you guys. I was looking to enter previously off session. I think I was looking over here somewhere. So 1946 was 1940. Oh, there 1946.3. Yeah. So it was basically this open of that candle. I was looking at entering then, but it is out of my session. So that's purely why I didn't take that trade. But beautiful trade, nothing wrong with it. If I was you, I would hold that. Which one would you want to trade? Thanks for the feedback as well. Is that the question you just answered? Hey Jeff,
Sorry, say it again.
that one car culture, which wallet would you recommend I create? Is that the one you just answered?
Oh, yes. So Botswana, I would say check if Luno is available in Botswana. That's the exchange I use. I've been using him since 2020. If I would draw my money, 15 minutes it's in my account. So Luno is very reliable. Then I would say if you're looking to transact, I use mainly Litecoin, Ripple, Ethereum.
You heard it first there, guys.
Noel said Ethereum network is very expensive. You must also know same thing as supply and demand basically. So if the demand's high, the fees will be higher. So if you can start timing which times the networks have the least traffic, that's when you'll have your fees lowered as well. It also depends on the exchange.
Yo, guys, I'd also like to leave the office at, what's the time? 20 to 5, eh? More money, living the life here. The producer, and he leaves midstream. What a life, what a lad. I believe you guys can see him now. Chilling there at the end, got his glasses on. You swear this man works in Hollywood. Oh, more money. Have you heard of the Picoin, some mobile mining system entry maintenance soon? Someone actually has mentioned that somewhere. But I'm not into crypto, don't really do that type of stuff.
Yeah, you must think about it this way as well, guys. Good example. I watched a documentary before on traders, and the topic was copper. And they said that as traders, we don't understand the main effect we actually have as traders on the market. For instance, let's say we invest into copper, we buy copper, obviously it's pushing the demand up. So people who actually work with copper, they need to actually get the actual copper. Where do they find it? Underground. So then some people would get displaced out of their homes, they would lose their house and stuff like that, because big companies can literally push them out and sign deals like that for people because of the stock market per se. So going back to what you're mentioning on Picoin, whatever you invest in and trade in, make sure that it has an impact on something, because I'm trying to find my words here basically, because what I'm trying to say is, what purpose will Picoin serve? A good example was also Ref Wayne, who made Pipcoin. But people lost a lot of money. Good example. What was his coin backed on? What was the purpose of his coin? What was their roadmap moving into the future? Things like that. Always think about sustainability. Always think about that when investing into something.
I actually really appreciate the kind words. We love having you guys all here. That's the thing we always like to say. We do realize the OGs, the supportive ones that are always here. We remember the names that are always rocking up, always supporting. So trust me, it doesn't go unnoticed. We do recognize the regulars. True Crypto has so many projects. Can we buy gold? You can. I'm just waiting for 50-minute shuffle. I won't enter yet. So I'm just hoping she doesn't run away from us, but definitely going to get an entry soon. Nas US, I think we'll still get our entry though. So we are pretty comfortable there. EU 8 after. Yeah, I think Chris is in depression, still watching EU. It's been a tough day for the lad.
He told me earlier, I don't even know it was EU. I just said, I think EU's gonna drop, and Chris said, don't bring that negative energy. Yeah.
Euro AUD, unfortunately we're not looking at that now, bro. I always say to you guys, I will check pairs out of session, before session, Once we are in session, we are looking to take trades. I don't take my eyes off the markets I'm looking at.
I want to ask something, but I don't want to seem like an asshole.
Bro, JC, I don't want to lie to you. I just don't want to be negative. I'm hoping we can still get in, bro. So don't stress as of yet. We are still gonna, I promise you, I'm gonna monitor this thing left, right, and center, upside down, from the top of it, everywhere. We're gonna see where we can find our entries here. Your boy wants to trade today. Yes, but that thing is going, eh? That thing's taking off.
You know, if gold continues to push up to that supply zone I pointed out, that will be a perfect setup for correlation with UJ to buy it.
Weren't you trying to sell gold at a stage? Whoa, actually, hold on. This is something I wanted to actually ask you earlier.
Yeah.
You wanted to buy gold yesterday, didn't you? Because I still remember I told you we're going to catch that falling off.
Yeah, and then I explained that we're looking for a pattern. Remember, I always tell you guys that half past 6, 7, if a trade sets up in my zone, then I don't take it. So let's look at gold. It came to my zone half past 8 and it broke through it. So timing was out.
Okay.
Yeah, and also remember yesterday on the guy, there's someone who bought gold, and I told him that I suggest you take your profit on gold because if my screen live.
No, but I'll put it live now if you want to show them something. Or is it
So-
still we're just chatting there?
So here's gold. This is the zone we're looking at. Here's that low we're looking at. Someone bought here, and I said that I wouldn't buy there because it's gonna form a double bottom for liquidity. Double bottom, people buy there, stop loss below, stop loss below. What do? Stop them out. So that is that accumulation of orders, and then you would see end of the day, market pulled back up. So fake move end of the day was a sell, pull back up into Asia, inducing buyers long, pushing back down in London, pushing people short. What happens now in New York? Induce people long to set up for the short, basically. Hope that makes sense.
Now, you see, guys, so again, we were talking about this in the office earlier. That actually shows now the difference in trading. So, like Jev will want to see this go long to long-term setup for the short. This, to me, breaks long now. We closed bullish today. We closed back above 1958. We go back to 2000. That's the difference here in like our trading styles and how we look at the markets and predict. But again, that's what I always say, people, I love about trading, and that I think is what drew me to trading. Is like if let's say we talk about sports, okay? So I'm a very, very sporty person. It's all I live for my sports. But sports doesn't matter if you're rich, poor, white, colored, black. If you're the biggest guy, the smallest guy, or if you had black hair or blonde hair, it didn't matter. You could be good at the thing from whatever approach you came from. You could go to different schools and have different coaches and still develop and still get to the same goals. With trading, it's the same thing. You can have different mentors, different strategies, view the markets in different ways, see it in different way. But we all see the same outcome in the end. And that's what I loved about trading, is you can sit and have a cup of coffee with someone and be like, yo bro, I took a long. Oh, you also took a long. What did you see? What did you see? And you all still get there at the end. I always say that's the one thing I love about trading.
A good example of this also is, so I always wait for price to break out of the Asian range. So if it breaks above the Asian range, I look for sells. Breaks below, I look for buys. For instance, then Chris trades out of the Asian range. It's a good example. He would then push price to me. When he takes his profit, I then get into the trade. It's not that it's not like one of us doesn't know how to trade, but it's just literally method.
Yeah, I know it is. Neil went long on EU, will monitor. Bro, I'm not gonna lie to you. I know Big Chris is been monitoring as well, so I don't know if he's entered.
Chris looks very quiet there.
He's looking a little stressed, so maybe he did. I'm not too sure yet, but I'll let you know in a while, a little bit. But I think he is. Hey, there we go. Okay, he's there. You got the support. So, all right, guys. First 15 minutes is come and gone. Let's see what we can get. All right, let's go. I want to take a trade here, guys. I want to take a trade. Oh, what are we taking? What are we taking? What are we taking? What do we want? Yo, guys, do I take Nas at the... I'm taking Nas, guys. I'm literally going to enter now at Asia highs. Ah! Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up before it runs. Nas, don't you go without me. What? Huh? Oh, wrong thing. I was like, what's going on here? I was on the wrong account.
You're almost caught in cuck now. I almost pressed buy by accident here with the massive lot size.
Alright, guys. So I'm in on Nas. Where am I? 5320. Okay, this thing is again not exactly with me, yeah, but we're gonna just try to line up on my chart where it is for me. So on the 15, let's go 15. I'm basically like over there somewhere, roughly, yeah. Alright, guys. Nas, be kind. Don't do what you did to us the other day. Alright, so Nas is there. US30, remember US30 we wanted to take at the Asia lows. So that might be a little bit concerning how deep it is going. But US30, the dollar is going down. So Nas should be going up. Should. So we just want to wait for a few closures, breaks here to give me that confidence. But I'm very happy with that. Gold. Yo, do we take it, guys? Do we take it? Do we take gold? Do we do it? This thing can really hurt people here now. That's the problem we have in here. What do you guys think, huh? What do you guys think? Look at buy Nas, buy longs. Yeah, obviously I took the buys there. I'm long against the dollar, if that answers your question, Storm. That's the thing, shorting gold from here is... It's a bit wild.
It's a bit wild, yes.
Yeah.
I agree with that.
That's
I'm also tempted, but no. I'm actually, I might look for some longs on USD Swiss franc as well. Just waiting for it to hit that level on the pivot. So Devon, the USD Swiss franc trade from yesterday, it didn't give the perfect pattern which I presented you guys what I want to see, but it did go up as we expected. It did make new higher highs. So I am kind of bullish on that pair, and also will fall in line with what I want to see happening on USD yen. So both of them are very close to my demand zones.
But what are you happy with the Nas trade? Yeah, I'm happy with it. Otherwise I wouldn't have taken it. Gold. That's the thing, guys. Like you could enter this now, okay? For example, let me just show you guys something, alright? This is why I won't enter, okay? My trading. I use very tight stop losses on gold. So if I entered here, that's my stop loss there, okay? 250. One big push from a candle. That's the thing. You're trading off a key level. So there's a lot of volume that's going to come in here. I enter here, I'm literally get wicked out and just continue upwards because there's so much volume coming to the market. So for me, I'm going to sit out. The move can happen. I'll rather wait for this to change and change bullish to basically show me that tomorrow I can look for my buys again. So I will, you know what, I'll miss the move. I will sit out, but I know I'll catch it tomorrow. But I've got Nas. There we go. There she goes. Alrighty. US30 looks like it's holding Asia lows as we wanted that to. Another beautiful trade. Alex, we don't miss, bro. We don't miss. Chrissy, you watching? Yeah. Where's the boy?
Man's heavy busy there.
Okay, guys. Stops to break even. And there we go.
Someone asked me something here now. Trader X, what's my reason for looking for longs on USD shift when the dollar index is bearish? So I have a zone on DXY where it's gonna flip to demand, and that's what I want to see.
We just don't miss it. How's that? How's that? Guys, can we just get some peaches in the chat? Come on. We don't miss here, guys. Neil's in on it with you. Come on, Chad. Come on. Another day, another dollar. Myself and Billy. It's another one, guys. Another one. Nas Daddy back in action. Yeah, let's actually go through the messages here, guys. So back to Aaron. Am I happy with the Nas trade? I'm very happy, bro. I'm very happy. Thanks for the facts, Jevs. What's the reason for looking for longs on U-Swiss when DXY is bearish? Thanks in advance.
I did explain that to them now.
Jev explained that one. Come on, give us those blues. I started watching Nas because you trade it. I hope you're enjoying it. What's your TP at this point? Probably the R1, so 15.357, but that will be dependent on what it is on your spreads. Peaches, Nasdaq back in action. Maybe going to TP now on US30, waiting for next candle. Peaches. W. Guys, monitor that. I'm from India. I know a little English. I'm not able to understand some of your words. It would have been better if you had spoken in Hindi. Yo, bro. Unfortunately, I do not know Hindi. You are the man.
This would be a great chance for you to, improve the English.
All thanks to Rocket X. Drop some likes, fellas. When you get out of the Nas trade, I will leave it to run for quite a while still. Damn it, I put on a 0.1 on that trade half. Where's Kendall, bro? I hope you made your money back, my man. I don't know how it is just me, but I'm also on Vault Markets and I bought exactly when you said, and my entry is at 15.327. Whoa, W. Hindi captures. Hamachundi Padie. Easy money, donkey buyer. Such a pleasure, guys. Such a pleasure. Okay, well, we know that's at break even, so if anything, let's just set an alert here. Just while we go off. I'm on the sun right now, having a beer in profits thanks to Rocket X. Hard work and determination. Yo, bro. Keegs. Good stuff, Keegs. Such a pleasure, bro. Thank you. Nice one, Keegs. Between what time do you measure Asia high and low? Between 1 and 6 in the morning. Yeah, Chad, this thing is a beauty. She's a beauty. US30 might play catch up. We don't know yet, but I'm happy with Nas. Gold, as I said, guys, I can't take a trade there off a key level. I can't. I will rather wait, guys. Another day, another dollar. What do you say, Chad? What do you say? TP hits on EU. Beautiful, Neil. Beautiful. Chris might hit a mad PR today at gym. Thanks for the trade, bro. Such a pleasure, my guy. You guys are beasts. Appreciate the love, guys. Only love you, guys. But please, all we asking, guys, come on. 136. We have 250 viewers. Let's get those likes to 200, guys. I know we can do it. I know we can do it. Come on. DXY melting. Nas going up. US30 starting to follow. 1958 broke on gold. 1958. Yeah, bro, as I said, I really don't know my trading yet. Like, I want to, trust me, I do. But I've just traded a breakout like this. That was the trade there. Where we got Asia lows, the retest, that was the trade. We didn't get that. So, yeah, it's a dangerous game to start entering here now. In a trade, I always say I don't go throw trades away and throw losses. I'm in a beautiful trade. I will just let this run. Hi guys, missed that trade. I'm holding this bad boy a 1 to 3. Look at the daily. I see this thing skyrocketing, bro. That's what I'm holding. I don't really have a TP yet. I'm just holding. American Sniper has got nothing on you boys. Mad love, guys. Mad love. There we go. These are the trades we like, guys, where the things just shoot off the screen. These are the trades we like. Alrighty. One more drink. Where were we, guys? You guys are awesome. Thanks, really appreciate it very much. Such a pleasure. One more big trade after Nas, and I made back the money I lost on EU. 100%, bro. 100%. Nas on Hulk smash. I did. Awesome, yeah, Kendall. She's a runner. She's a track star. Exactly, bro. Exactly. What's your open PR for this trade? My open PL. Do you know what that is?
No. Wait, what?
My open PL. Storm, I don't know what that is,
Oh,
bro.
he's asking about your profit slash loss, I think. Isn't that what your open PL is?
I have no clue. But I don't see what relevance that has for you. Just 30 pips, I will tell you that. So that was what I was risking when I entered the trade. Open profit and loss. Yeah, so I'll tell you I risked 30 pips, but how much it's running in profits and what I was willing to lose and things like that, I don't see what relevance that has. Can you explain one more why you took NASDAQ? Alright. So I am bullish for the day. I always say to you guys, these doji candles are fake outs. A lot of people want to sell them. So where was that example there? A lot of people will see it like this, for example, okay? They want to see the bars, fake outs, big bearish push. For me, we have the bars today. You have this doji, and I am bullish on, bearish on the dollar. So the thing is that I'm bearish on the dollar is why this will be a fake out. So it's where a lot of people are going to sell now because they're going, oh, like I've seen this pattern before. They're going to sell. They're going to get clapped. So higher time frames, I'm bullish. Then we start going over to, yeah, you've traded up the whole day. So you've tested your EQ, you've tested your pivot, you've tested the Asia highs. We come back, hold Asia highs as that was already a nice pullback to just get out all the buyers and then continue to the top side. So
Sorry,
quite a
Keeks,
simple one
quickly.
there.
Quick one. Everyone looking at USD shift. So at, just double check it. When we get to, so I just want to get the exact number for you guys. So maybe share my screen quickly. That should be much easier. So this red little box here, let me change that red. I don't like red. That gray little box over there at 0.89953. The moment price gets there on USD Swiss franc, I'm gonna take a buy.
So going back to Storm again, I'm telling you I'm risking 30 pips. Okay, so that's telling you how much I'm willing to take on this trade. Whether it was I was willing to risk in that 30 pips 1,000 Rand or 10,000 Rand, that is irrelevant. Money is irrelevant. If you guys want to go see someone wants to flash their profits and stuff to you, then go support Joe Ash and you can come show me your profits afterwards. But I'm showing you the skill. That is what we're here for. We are to help you learn as traders. So when I'm telling you the stop was 30 pips, that was what I was willing to draw down. I was willing to sit through on a trade like this. So that is there, and that is why. But the actual value, that doesn't have any relevance. Okay. And now Anton's back. Oh boy. Anton, so explain to me why equity value matters. Explain that. This I want to hear. Yo, DXY fighting back to Asia lows. Your charts are getting interesting here. Now it's going to come down. That's weight I did refer to yesterday. It's already on my trading view. To be honest, I don't care what you made in money. Trade is their skill. Exactly. He is risking around about 1 to 1.5%. Why are we talking about it if it's irrelevant? Yes, man, I understand that. That was what I was asking. You answered. Pips over money drawdown are the same, just different measurements, even though a pip's value fluctuates with whatever you... Yeah, okay, no, we agree there. Looking at your NASDAQ trade. Anton, what the hell are you talking about? Show us again USD Swiss. No. Value doesn't matter because it's a demo account. Oh, yada yeses. Okay, Rain. It's a demo account, bro. You got me. It's a demo. Are you risking? I just wanted to know what you were risking. I was risking 1% of my account. That's what I'm risking on the trade. Just funding my vault again. Is NAS going to come down? It is down, guys. Dollar is fighting back. Literally only because of you guys. And someone that's irrelevant. We were here to make money together and not to ask personal stuff. I see it different all the time. Bro, this Anton is the biggest joke I've ever seen. This man wants to take me on every single time. Every single time you've ate stop losses where I've got TPs, bro. So just stay in your lane. Because if you are such a big profitable trader, I don't know why you're on this stream. Still got to come here to actually learn something. So I'd keep quiet, bro. Some hard knowledge there, Keegs. Mad Charge crew is here. A bunch of wankers, bro. These oaks couldn't trade if a flippin' hit them in the face. Jokes, bro. Lord have mercy. I didn't mean to start a shit show. No, bro. No. Storm, you cool, bro. You cool.
I want to ask something. I want to ask something quickly. I want to ask something quickly.
Nasdaq will get you now. Anton. Bro. What do you mean get me now, my man? Show me you make any trade, bro. Show me you make any trade.
I was going to say the same thing now. I bet you this Anton guy, ne? It's not even his real name. He's using an alias just to come talk shit. He probably had a bad day in the market. This is the only way he feels better. It's a sad, sad life that he's living. Feel sorry for him.
Chat, please write win if you made money from Nasdaq trade. Win. AO stream taking a turn. Oh my word. Anton, what's the problem? It's because Anton's got that small dick energy. Man can't flip and win. He can't trade. He's probably getting a divorce. He just can't win in life. Only truth. Exactly. See, you can't. People that come to hate are hilarious. None who does that has the time to hate. Anton 100% definitely doesn't take the trades. 100% he doesn't. 100%. Nas making us all cry. Oh, guys, it's a break even, as I said. I'm happy to take break evens. You guys, if you guys take your profits, 100%, but I'm always lacking to take a break even. It's not a loss, so I'm so chilled with that. Yes, Anton, what's the problem? Anton probably blew his account just now. Hey guys, just give trolls any energy. Like I asked yesterday already. Like I said yesterday, Nas already down at 15,000. It already turns on my trading view. Oh, yada yeses. Now I've got Peter as well. Problems. I think Ant needs a hug. I don't see Anton in the chats. It's more views for the channel, so Anton, thank you. Where is Anton? No unicorns for Anton. You lose all trades. It's no problem. Bro, you've been here for like 2 weeks trying to give me shit. And every time you call the trade, you've got a stop loss. I've got to win. I haven't taken a loss in like 2 weeks. So what the hell are you talking about? Keegs is a G. What has happened? Literally made a coffee and the ant bomb went off. Made some money with Nas. Grow my small account. Thanks, Keegs. Get the haters out of here. Will you be looking for more trades? Yeah, 100%, bro. 100% we can try to look for something. Re-entries. How do you close my US30 shorts? Because I can't stop in laughing at this fucking Anton. I love you this. We love you, Anton. Don't hate on others people's grind. Way too much cash, brother. Anton, karma will bite you in the ass. Anton, what stream you watching?
I am so
You don't have background
tempted.
to handle it. I don't.
So tempted.
Thank you for the watch hours, Anton. Anton's getting ready for first break. Oh, yeah. Pray for Anton. Can't Anton even see? Can we get some peaches for Anton? Anton got a small dick. Oh, Add-on boost may not be in a vocabulary, but it's in your personality. Oh my Alex, that's brilliant, bro. False setups all time you do. Peaches for Anton. Pray for Anton. Yes, this guys. The chat is like jumping. Yeah, you guys are going at this man. Who is the F is Anton? Needed to come back to read the chat.
In Afrikaans, we say liefde maak seer. So if you bash someone, you slaan die liefde in. We love you, Anton. It just shows us that we're doing the right thing. There's people out here trying to send people to our chat and stuff like that, you know, to try and degrade us, but it's not gonna happen, unfortunately for them. But we will still help them. In fact, Anton, you can even come to me for a free session, bro. I won't even charge you.
Anton is a fan. Your loss is only truth. You say looking so good, gents. Anton's alright. Just we missed our winners. Bye bye. Bye. Anton, don't leave. This is POV. Anton funded account breached. Going to miss you. Anton is hungry. No hard feelings, Anton. Anton taking the L. Yes, please go. Cheers, brother. Enjoy the losses. Bro, he's not an undercover scam. It's for the mad charge. Like some bloody joke. Ban him and carry on. Nah, we don't need to ban the man. I'm done for the day, bro. Just check in so I can see who takes certain trades. Loss is what you do only. Anton trades an upside down chart. Yeah, why is this thing jump the whole time? Why don't I see Anton's comments? We say muscle base to swim you go.
Okay, so guys, a quick one from my side. I'm taking a very small buy on USD JPY right now at 150.860. See if you can maybe throw in my chart there just to show the answer. That zone.
There you go, you love.
So you'll see that the stop loss is 6 pips and we're targeting all the way up to this supply zone to 151.248. So there you have it.
The hell is this? But alright, Chad, let's get back to business. Let's see if we can find a re-entry here. Anton, where are you, my brother? You still in the chat?
A giveaway just for him. Volta Kings, I'm in on USD JPY.
Okay, just hold. Alright. Anton, you still in the chat, bro? How is about we gonna do this? We'll give you a $5,000 funded account. And you show us how to trade. How about that? Let the man step up and put your money where your mouth is.
Where's Anton?
Come on, Anton. Come on, let's see if you step up. Are you a mouse or are you a man?
Free of charge.
Free of charge. Nothing. Not going to cost you anything. It's your problem. Bro, we giving you an account here. You're getting a free funded account. We're going to see you trade. And let's see what you can do. Come. Anton came here thinking he could just take all the trades blindly, and now he lost his account. Come on, Anton. Where are you? Anton. The mighty, mighty stop-loss warrior. Come on, Anton. How about this? We can make a YouTube series. We'll do it literally for the next New York session. We'll give our account login details to the chat, and we'll both take an account right now. We can both take an account, a $5,000 funded account. We'll give all the logins to the chat so they can read it. They can see every trade is taken, how we trading, and they can see how you're gonna blow that account in the first day. Let's see what you can do. You think you're a better trader than me? Then let's put your money where your mouth is and step up. Come on. Let's see. Clearly all I do is stop losses. Can the boy man up?
But I feel like before we do that, Anton must show his face so everyone can see who this great trader Anton is. So the moment he blows up the count, whenever we see you, we will be reminded.
And look at that, Anton goes quiet. Can we get back to trading and lose this Anton? Anton the blind versus Keegs the G. Man couldn't flip and trade to save his life. Go swim to Mossel Bay instead. Exactly, Anton. You can't man up. No surprise there. So, guys, after that, Anton is done. He exposed himself. He can't trade. The boy can't even get a free account because he knows he will make himself a joke.
Oh yeah, guys, forgot to mention. I remember on your stop loss for UJ, you must add your spread and add 2 pips for slippage. So always bear that in mind.
But alright, guys, let's get back to business now since we've dealt with that clown. Okay, so gold. Let's see here, guys. I'm thinking, yeah, I'm thinking. Guys, I actually might actually have something for you. Let's see. I might have a risky trade, guys. But just hear me out on this one. I'm really thinking about this. We might literally go for this one, guys. Where?
Rust Devil. If I may ask, why not? Why shouldn't I vape?
Should vape. He doesn't want the card to be in Mossel Bay. Oh, Tariq, appreciate it, my brother. Appreciate the little donation there. Yeah, guys, we're getting back to trading, guys. Relax. Just chill out, guys. We're gonna get back to the trading now. Keegs, what's your set stop loss on gold? I know you mentioned it, I already just can't remember. 250, so 25 pips. So that's gonna go bearish. I want to enter this, guys. It's a very risky trade. And I don't want to feed you guys stops. So I just want to really think this one through in my head. I'm just thinking everything out before we enter it. So yo, you in the cells on US30, yeah? If I'm correct, if you're still in the chat. I think you're rubbish too, Keith. Oh, man, dude. At least the markets are looking better than yesterday, 100%, bro. Are you in the cells already? Or are you looking to sell? Yes, sis. Hold on. Bro, look at this flipping 4-hour candle on US30. Holy crap. Look at this, I'm waiting for the retest. Okay. Guys, you know the only problem though? Trust me on this one, bro. Bro, I do back it. I see what you're looking at. My only thing, bro, is I'm bearish on the dollar. Like, I'm bearish on the dollar, so that's my problem. I mean, 80's leveling out, so you can see the fall off come, but you can see it spike up. So 80 is a bit of a no-show. 4 hour. That's the problem we're having here now. Hashtag block Anton. Okay, no, we're not gonna worry about him, bro. We gave the man the opportunity to stand up. He could literally get a free account. He couldn't accept. So I literally don't even have to waste my energy on that guy anymore. Aki, I purchased Wolfen account. Price is $60. How many days for validation? So yesterday I paid for it. Send us your reference number, bro. I will push it forward for you. Okay. It should actually be like quick. So if you have bought the account, like you've paid for it, and the payment went through, it should almost be like a few minutes. So otherwise, send me the reference number. And so if you don't want to send it, yeah, obviously, because everyone will get it, send me a message on Instagram, and send me the reference number. Or there you go. Email support@vaultfunder.trade. They will all push it forward for you, okay? Alright, guys. I might as well put like a 3 euro on the last one by mistake. We'll confirm if I enter. And we rejected S1, so I'm waiting. Yeah, bro. Like, so yeah, I really do back it. Like, I do think you could get a massive trade here. But again, like I said, I'm bearish on the dollar. So me, if I had to do this, I'm going against my entry criterias and bias.
I second that on US30. I would just want to see it push down a little bit more to take out yesterday's low.
Yeah, so that's what I say. I do back it, but that's my only thing. TP for UJ.
151, 240.
Oh, Jev's in UJ.
Yeah, we are in profit. However, I don't like the way it's moving, so be ready to move stops close to entry. So we'll see how the next 15 to half an hour plays out.
Yeah, there you go. So Jev will monitor that one for you. Guys, I still really like that Nas trade, eh? I really like that Nas trade. Yo, so many questions, so little time. USD monthly R1. Interesting. Okay, brother. Damn. We're gonna have a little daily wager again with me and Sayil. Bro, I do, like I said, I can see why you would take the sell. Let's say that I can see why you want to take it. For me, again, it's just the thing of, I'd 100% would go for that sell with you if I wasn't bearish on the dollar. Bro, like, you can't tell me dollar's gonna flip bullish. That's the thing. That's my problem. Like Chris and I were talking about this the whole day. If dollar closes bullish today, if dollar closes like this today, I'm not even trading the rest of this week. Like, I'm literally done for the week. If dollar closes like that, I will be in shock. And purely because of that reason, if dollar does go bearish, it's not going to be like this. Dollar tonight will close something like that. And that reason, I mean, you got these gap fills. You go fill. Gap fill, gap fill. So it really is a tough one, you know, guys, to make a call. Okay, let's settle like this, Sahil, because I know he trades US30. What is our other Indian brother doing? Because whatever he's doing, we just do opposites. He closed sales. Oh, Sahil, Joe Ash is solid, bro. What Joe Balamani doing? He's solid.
Wait, what?
Screw that, I'll buy. Bro, I have to stick to it. I've got to go with my guts.
Stop loss on USD JPY is literally 6 pips.
I think I'm gonna take the bar. I think I'm gonna go for it. I have to stick to my gut here and go for it.
Okay, so seeing that UJ is in profit, USD shift is still here, but I'm gonna delete the pending order on USD Swiss franc. You guys can feel free to hold it if it does come down. It is building up. It has built up liquidity down there, so it could still spike down and then go up. But I'm happy with UJ. I'm happy with the profit. I've tripled my account today, so I am good. Just hitting that run.
But bro, bro, this is such a hard one. Like, trust me, I want.
Okay, guys, we're up 1-1 on UJ. I'm gonna adjust my stop loss and put it literally 2 pips under my entry. 2.5 pips under my entry. Okay, that was something to show.
If I enter, guys, okay, hold on. Let me say this. If I enter, I'm gonna go bullish. Let me put it that way, okay? I'm debating it in my head. I need a little bit more confirmation here. If I enter, I'm gonna go bullish. All right. If I, yeah, no, okay, I get that too. Yeah, that's the thing, guys. You need your confirmation. So for me, I'm not gonna just enter here because I don't have a buy confirmation yet. I'm just saying, if I'm gonna enter and take this trade, I'm gonna buy. Okay, I'm gonna stick to my bias. I've got to stick to. I got to back myself. So if I take the trade, yeah, I'm gonna buy. All right, that is the call.
Oh no, you can't wanna chase a moving bus. If you miss the trade, it's too late. You know, wait for the next bus. Peter, he wants to catch a falling knife. I second that falling knife.
Who's this?
Peter said you want to catch a falling knife there on USD.
I'm spending too much time with Jevin, yeah. It's a tough one. It is a tough one. Check Nas. What's Nas doing? Oh damn, Nas also. Okay, flip. Nas broke Asia lows. Guys, what are you doing to me here? What are you doing?
Also, going back to the beginning of the stream, someone asked if they shall sell GU, and I explained to them why not. And if you look at GU right now, that's exactly what we said it would do. It's gonna break to the upside and then continue falling. So this goes back to backtesting, knowing your method. The more you do it, the more you can't deny the evidence. Javen, how much did I risk when I tripled my account? So that's something I feel like not a lot of people know. I get very uncomfortable trading big amounts of money. The biggest personal account I've had was 40,000 Rand. The biggest loss I've taken on one trade was 12,000 Rand, and I felt sick. And so it's not something I like, but I've Throwback, you know me. I've been trading small accounts for a very long time. So for instance, it depends on your risk appetite. I always talk about risk appetite. For instance, I am very comfortable losing like 300, 400 Rand on the trade. That's about $20. That is how much I'm willing to risk on the trade. Knowing with the risk to reward of 1 to 3, I can make 1,200 Rand or at least $60. So then for instance, this morning I traded a 500 Rand account. So my risk per trade was like 50% of the account. But then it goes back to accuracy. Also, don't you guys too much understand me there. It's not like I'm taking my last 500 Rand and risking 50% of the account. When I make a deposit, for instance, I deposit 2,000 Rand, but I only move 500 Rand to my wallet, and then I trade that, flip it. So technically I'm growing my wallet and not per se my account. And that then allows me to risk small, for instance, but then make big profits on the account, if that makes sense. So the more you do it, basically, the more you get used to it. I would say if you want to learn to flip an account, start with a $10 account. And then, for instance, have a tight risk appetite of, let's say, $2, $3. Knowing that, let's say $3, knowing 1 to 3, you're going to make $9. That's a 90% gain in your account. And also then your type of setups you're taking. So good example, we're all South Africans here. So I'm sure that there's a lot of people who also played games. So WWE versus SmackDown, SmackDown versus Raw back in the day in PlayStation. You know you have a character, you build up momentum, and you have a signature move. So you should have a signature trade in the market, knowing that backtesting it, this trade pans out, let's say every Wednesday at this time. Then you know you back that trade on data, basically. Then you must also have your opportunity trades. So on your signature trades, that's when you target 100 plus pips. Opportunity, you're only targeting 50 pips, for instance. So you should know the condition of the market and then base your trades based on that. It also goes back to what I always tell people. They would ask me, why put my stop loss there? Why might I take profit there? It's not like I'm deciding where I should put it. The market must show you, according to your analysis, where your stop must be. And then based on your stop loss, that's how you manage your risk percentage.
Yo, guys.
Very well said, Earl. That is exactly what I'm talking about. Because the thing is, I always talk about this. The market maker ideology is induce, trap, bank a profit. Your account means nothing to the market maker unless you press buy or sell. So why do you press buy or sell? There has to be some sort of pattern which induces you to go long or short. Then based on those entries, for instance, if you have a small account, instead of getting trapped into a loss, you're going to get trapped into profit. So that the chances of price coming back to your stop, to your entry, should be very, very slim.
If it breaks, this one's gonna go. Yeah, bro. I back that, but I'm gonna sit out, guys. I can't. I can't take a trade here. I'm not comfortable with it. I'm not gonna throw away unnecessary money. Like, that's it. Keys, check Nas on the daily. After breaking out of the channel, we have not retested. I think we're going to retest before the pump. Smart move. US30 already pumping over 200 pips. So Nas may be better. Gold broke 1960. Yeah, guys, like as I said, I'm sitting out. I'm not gonna do it. I can't take a trade I don't feel comfortable with and I don't back. So yeah, I'm sitting out, guys. One of those things, eh? Can't win them all. Jev, you still in your UJ trade?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
How's that looking?
We are up about 8 pips. The moment we take out this last height form now in the 1 minute, if we have break of structure there, stop on entry for a risk-free trade.
Keep showing how you stay profitable as a trader. Every day it's not a I'm getting a trade, it is the market giving us one. Yeah, guys, we had our trade earlier. I was happy with it. Like I said, guys, if they close in profits, they close in profits. But yeah, I'm not comfortable there, guys. I'm not going to try to force something that isn't there. So unfortunately, that isn't it for me. US30 going up now, lol. Oh, maybe we should have taken that wage again. But again, as I said, it's just okay. I couldn't take it. Again, I could see why Sahil wants the sells, but my bias is bullish and my bias on the dollar is bearish. So it's just one of those type of days. Like anything could happen, really. Gold, oh, I just wish we caught this, guys. If this thing didn't run like just before we flip and wanted to trade, this would have been beautiful. This would have been a beautiful trade. But we didn't get the chance to enter.
USD Swiss franc in the zone, you say? Say it's in the zone. So that means if you guys yelled the pinnings on USD shift, you should be in profit now with that little pump on that 1 minute candle. You should be 1 pip in profit.
Oh yeah.
I was so proud of my 3 pips this morning. I felt like Josh Naidu.
Yeah, guys, I would rather be safe than sorry. So yeah, I'm done for the day, guys. I won't take another trade now. That is just me.
Same here, same here. It's almost 6. Had a good day. No need to spoil your night now.
Always another day, guys. always is another day for us. But other than that, guys, I think we're going to call it then as well, because we do have load shedding at 6 o'clock here at the office. So we're going to call it. Sahil, I wish you the best of luck with that trade, brother. As I said, I do see it can play out. It just doesn't go with my bias. Gold, again, unlucky, guys. But again, I would rather take it. If this closes where we want it today, we are in an awesome trading area again for tomorrow, because we've then now got all this range to trade in. And if you guys know me, I love trading in ranges. So this will be beautiful for us. So as long as gold closes today, that means for tomorrow and next week, we can get some beautiful trades on gold again. So it was just a tough one today. Unfortunately, I didn't take the profits on the earlier trade. But again, I am cool with that. We took the break even, so nothing to cry about. Thanks for the trade keys. Break even better than a loss for me. Have an awesome evening, you legends. But as well, guys, thank you guys for always being here, for believing in us, for standing by us. We really appreciate it, and we appreciate the support. Hopefully catch you in New York session tomorrow. Back to stinky work. Thanks for the stream, guys. Thanks, Anton. See you at Asia session, Jay. Jiv. Have a good evening, guys. Tomorrow we're back 100%, guys. So yeah, do you think live trade affects your calls? I think maybe in the beginning, purely because of the idea, and we spoke about this, that I know a lot of you guys have a lot of riding on the trades we give you guys. I can take a loss. We've always said this. I can take a loss. I can eat a stop loss. I'm okay. Because if I stuck to my rules, I took that trade and it stops me out, I'm cool with that. That's why I can take a break even. I'm chilled because it still was all my rules. But yeah, I think maybe in the beginning, for me personally, it did. But at this point, it doesn't. Because I know the guys that are here, you guys understand what trading is. You guys want to learn. And you guys believe in us in the end of the day. And that's all we need. So you guys push me to be better, push me to be harder, and give you guys those good trades. So now I think at the end of the day now, it's actually improved my trading even a little bit more. Number one has 100% win rate. Nobody, yeah, no, that's true, bro. Very, very true. That's why risk management is so important. Ash, thanks for the hangout, boys. Catch you tonight and tomorrow. W stream. Really, really appreciate you guys. I'm so good at losing. But again, guys, I think we're going to call it there. Jeff, any closing remarks?
Just going back to what you said now, does the affect your trading? You stole the words right out of my mouth. Definitely, it changed everything. We love you guys. It's really also, it feels nice also just walking around in the mall and you guys recognize us. And yeah, man, so it's cool. It's cool.
Exactly, yeah. So it looks like those Nas buys might be on. So Sahil, watch those entries, bro. But otherwise, guys, again, peace and love, and we'll check you guys tomorrow for London session first, the opening bell with myself and Chris. Hopefully Chris can get his mojo back.
Pray for me. Pray for me, Chad. See you guys tomorrow. Switch everything.
Yeah, no, well, but otherwise, see you guys tomorrow.
See you guys
Peace
tomorrow.
and love, guys. Cheers, cheers.